If you are trying to choose between DALL-E and Midjourney for AI image generation, the answer isn't as simple as which is better. It really depends on what you need. In this video, we'll break down the key differences in quality, usability, features, and pricing so you can decide fast. Overview. First, let's quickly define both tools. DALL-E, developed by OpenAI, is built for easy prompt-based image generation inside tools like ChatGPT. It focuses on accuracy, control, and simplicity. Midjourney is a standalone AI tool known for producing highly artistic, cinematic, and visually stunning images, often with a more creative style. So one is more practical, the other is more artistic. Image quality. When it comes to image quality, Midjourney usually wins. It produces more realistic lighting, more detailed textures, more artistic compositions. Midjourney images often look like they belong in a movie, concept art, or a digital painting portfolio. DALL-E, on the other hand, focuses more on clean, accurate outputs, better prompt following, more consistent results for simple requests. So if you want artistic visuals, Midjourney leads. If you want accuracy and clarity, DALL-E performs better. Ease of use. DALL-E is much easier for beginners. You just type a prompt inside ChatGPT and get results instantly. No extra setup needed. Midjourney requires using Discord or its web interface, and it has more advanced prompt settings. That gives you more control, but it also comes with a learning curve. So beginner friendly, DALL-E. Advanced creative control, Midjourney. Features and control. Midjourney offers more artistic control, including style tuning, aspect ratio control, variation and remix options. DALL-E focuses more on editing images and natural language, in painting, editing parts of images, following exact instructions more reliably. So Midjourney is better for exploration and creativity, while DALL-E is better for precision and editing. Pricing. Both tools are paid in most cases. DALL-E is usually bundled with the ChatGPT plans. Midjourney uses a subscription model with different tiers based on usage and speed. If you're already using ChatGPT, DALL-E is more convenient. If you generate a lot of high quality art, Midjourney may be worth the subscription. Real world use cases. Here's where the difference really comes clear. Use Midjourney for concept art, YouTube thumbnails with strong visuals, posters and branding designs, fantasy or cinematic scenes. Use DALL-E for blog images and simple illustrations, product mockups, educational visuals, editing or refining existing images. So instead of asking which is better, the real question is, what are you creating? Conclusion. Midjourney is the best choice for artistic high-impact visuals. DALL-E is best for fast, accurate, and practical image generation. There is no absolute winner, just the right tool for the right job. If you found this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe for more AI tool comparisons, share this video to your friends, and turn on the bell icon to get all the new about AI tools. Thanks for watching and goodbye.